In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy text from Happy Scribe efficiently. Whether you're transcribing important interviews or need to extract quotes from a meeting, knowing how to copy text accurately can save you time and ensure you have the right information at your fingertips. Let's dive in and break this down step by step. First things first, let's head over to your Happy Scribe dashboard. Once you're there, locate the specific file that you need to work with. This could be any file that contains text you want to copy. Click on the file to open it. Now, you should see all the transcribed text in front of you, neatly organized and ready to be highlighted. The dashboard is user-friendly, so you should have no trouble navigating through it. Once you have the file open, it's time to highlight the text you'd like to copy. To do this, simply click and hold at the start of the text and then drag your mouse to the end of the portion you want. You'll see the text become highlighted as you do so. This step is crucial because accurately highlighting ensures that you capture exactly what you need without leaving any words behind. After you've highlighted the desired text, the next step is to copy it. The easiest way to accomplish this is by right-clicking on the highlighted section. When you right-click, a menu will appear showing several options. From this list, go ahead and click on Copy. This option might seem simple, but it confirms that your highlighted text is now ready to be transferred elsewhere. To ensure that your text is copied correctly, the best practice is to immediately paste it somewhere. You can paste it into a document, a note-taking app, or even an email, anywhere that you'll need this information. To paste, you can usually right-click and choose the Paste option, or use the shortcut by pressing Ctrl+V on a Windows computer or Command+V on a Mac. Seeing the text appear where you pasted it not only verifies that you've copied the right segment, but also provides an opportunity to review it. Following this simple process ensures that you have accurately copied and pasted the text you needed from Happy Scribe. By mastering these steps, you can seamlessly move content from the transcription service to any other platform where you need it, making your workflow more efficient. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials.